do is go up, grab it, and oh, it's already messed up. Hey my gators, I just want to start off by saying I apologize. Trying to do TikTok and also do YouTube and keep converting the phone from sideways to the up and down way can be frustrating, so sometimes I forget. So anytime you see in my videos, and if I have to put some footage that is showing black on each side of the screen, all you have to do is tap the right bottom of your screen and it'll make it a full screen, but just upwards in a vertical way versus a horizontal way. So I apologize in advance, but I hope this video is helpful to many of you. So let's go get us another bulb. Looks so different without that light on. And they make it seem so difficult, but ladies and gentlemen, you can do it yourself, and don't pay all that money for the Best Buy extra stuff so they can come fix it, and it's just unnecessary. Some things you could do yourself, and that's why I'm sharing, so I can help you to save your coins. All right, guys, let's go get the bulb. Hey, if you really look closely, probably have to put some readers on, because I know I do. It says the wattage on the actual bulb right there, so you don't have to call the manufacturer. So yeah, and this one takes 2, so we're gonna go get some more lights. So guys, I wanted to zoom in so you can really see these. Now, the guy from Best Buy, the last time they had to change my actual bulbs, he told me how expensive these was and how it's best to go through them because it's hard to find these bulbs and all that. And it just makes me feel some type of way that people don't have integrity when they work these jobs and can do anything to try to rip you off to make me keep paying for this yearly plan to come maintenance my things when I can maintenance them cheaper doing it myself and spend less than I'm spending for the year for the plan. It's crazy. Watts, when I looked at it and I'm like, okay, now what is that? Oh, that's a 40 watt.
This is it.
So is that the highest you're supposed to go? Is that how that works?
Not go any higher.
Why does that look so much smaller?
They do. They can change these. Halogen's physical.
What is that one? Oh, oh my god.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one says 20 watt. I would not go over the 20 watt.
Well, the bummer is they're 20 watts. He said don't go over 20 watts. It's 20 watts here, but the bulb looks totally different from the one I have. It's like really tiny. Let me show y'all. Let me put them next to each other. Y'all see that? It's like really tiny compared to the one I have. So, and it's $7 for one. But on Amazon, it was 2 for $7.99 or 2 for $8.99, something like that. It's definitely going to be cheaper. I mean, I was asking him, can you go higher with the wattage because they got double packs in these, and he said no, he wouldn't go over 20 watts. So yeah, but then they do have these 20. Oh, that's different. Oh, these are different altogether. The bottoms don't have the prongs. All right, let me get on Amazon and order them. Hey my gators, I had to come in. Oh, camera, hold on. Real quick, look at me from touching and popping stuff. But anyway, so remember my microwave bulbs popped. They blew and they're underneath here. I had to find some. Guys, the prices were ridiculous. As you can see in the video that I attached to this, prices were ridiculous. So my package came. Let's just hope these are the right ones. And I got 4 of them for $6. I'll put it up in here somewhere, and we are going to replace the bulb. Remember the guy at Geek Squad told me, oh, these are for $40 bulbs and it's best to call us and all this other foolishness. These are 20 watt bulbs, 120 voltage, and I got 4 of them. Okay, oh, this case could be reused for traveling for something. I'm always trying to reuse cases. Do y'all do the same thing? I'm always trying to reuse them. They come on nice and fancy. Look at that. Look, 4 for $6.99. The girl in Walmart showed me yup, these are them. These are them. Look just like the ones that I took out. Okay, so we are going to take these bad boys out. One for $6. I still got 2 more. So if these and when these do, I'll have some extra ones. Let's get these bad boys popped inside this microwave and see. Look at, let me cut my light off real quick. See, I'm pushing the light. It's on low, high, off. It's not working. So let's get these in. So we're gonna take the, I got them in because I didn't want to lose the screws. So I'm gonna take the middle one off. Then we're going to take the end one off. Then we're going to take the other one off and put the new bulbs in. Okay, so let's get the other one off. That one is sort of in here. Hold on one second. Okay. It's just 3 screws. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna take, and you're gonna see those 2 holes right there? I'm trying to look into it. It's kind of difficult. Hold on. We're gonna pop these 2 holes in those holes. That one. As soon as you popped it in, it's oh, because it's on. Hold on. Let me cut it off. Let me cut it off. Okay. Let's do the other one. Pop it right in those holes. Well, we know that one works. Let me put this paper so nothing falls or tries to break. We got extra, but I would rather keep the 2 extra for next time. All right. All right, so let's put these screws. Let's test it. Yep, we got a line. We got a line. All right, let me screw the screws in. Let's see what y'all can see. Put the screws back up in here. Should have got my drill done a little bit faster, but it is what it is. DIY things you could do yourself. Don't let them companies come out and charge you an arm and a leg for stuff that don't cost as much as they say. I'm just trying to get you to keep Geek Squad, or what's that yearly thing that Best Buy has? I stopped buying it because they always had an excuse for why they couldn't fix nothing or repair something. I still end up having to pay for it out of pocket, so it really didn't help me to have it. So yeah, let's put this last one on, and we have new light under the microwave. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just push that bottom square that's open on each side. Push that bottom square and it'll make your screen bigger. Now let's look at how it looks now. Let's cut the light out. All right, yes. Low, off. Yes, that's what I miss. I miss coming in my kitchen and seeing this. So yeah, we're gonna put it on low. Yep. Now I need to have this in here at night. The stove is backlit, and that's how you change your bulbs in your Samsung Slimline microwave. And I believe in all Samsung's microwaves. Talk to me in the comments. I do talk back, and I will see you guys later, Gators. Save those coins and do it yourself.